I'm Teresa and welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. Today we're going to make these delicious sausage rolls. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to make some sausage rolls. You can find the recipe back on the back of your biscuit container. The recipe itself calls to make over 8 dozen sausage balls. I don't need that many, so we're going to cut that recipe in half. Alright. So, you saw we need Bisquick. We're going to need a splash of milk. You are going to need a sausage of your choice. This is just regular sausage. You can use hot sausage, whatever you want. You will need some cheese, and then any seasonings of your liking, okay? So, we're going to start off with the Bisquick. And the original recipe calls for 3 cups. We're going to do 1.5 cups since we're doing half of it. And then the original recipe will call for all of the sausage. We're only going to use half. Now you can use any kind of sausage you want. Again, I'm just using the original. It's totally up to you. You can use it with sage, you can use the hot, you can use whatever you want, okay? Then we're going to need 2 cups of the cheese. 2. Alright. Then we're going to need 1/4 cup of milk. Now the milk makes it fluffy. If you don't want it fluffy, don't add the milk. That's all I got to tell you. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to need some parsley flakes. That's 1/2 tablespoon, maybe just a little bit more. Probably about 3/4 tablespoon. And then I have garlic and black pepper. And that's 1/2 tablespoon of that. All right. You can use a spoon to mix all this, but these are the best mixers you got, okay? So that's why I have gloves on. While we're doing this, we have preheated the oven at 350. And you're just gonna keep mushing and smushing and mixing until you get it all mixed together. Okay guys, we're back. It is all mixed together. You want to keep mixing this until it's not sticky. If this is sticky, go back and add some more Bisquick. So, until it's not sticky anymore. You're going to take a pinch and you're going to roll it into balls. Okay? And you want about 1 inch balls. So, that way they're good bite size. You can make biggers if you want, but this is perfect for a party. Great if you're doing football season, for appetizers, for tailgates. Great for brunches, for Valentine's Day coming up. If you want to make breakfast in bed, these are perfect for that because you can do these a day ahead and just pop them in the oven and let them cook. So we're going to make as much as our container can hold. And then we're going to pop them in the oven. Our oven is preheated at 350. And we're going to let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. I did forget to mention on your pan, I just have a little disposable one. I am going to grease this because I don't want them to get stuck. So make sure you grease your pan and then just drop your balls in and cook until it's full, and then cook at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back just out of the oven. We did let them cook for 25 minutes. You can see some of them are a little stuck together. We're just gonna run our spatula through them to separate them. And then we're gonna scoop them out. And put them on a plate. And then they'll be ready to serve up. I hope you enjoy. Thank you again for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. I hope you enjoy making your sausage rolls. Remember to like, share, comment. We love seeing your creations. These are a perfect addition to your football season or any brunch that you want to go to or make. So until next time, bon appetit.